We are all about asking questions at scale. And I think for a business leader, asking hard questions is the most important thing.
Eric Johnson became CEO of SurveyMonkey in 2023. The company was founded way back in 1999 and built a global reputation for its employee and customer online surveys. But when Eric joined, the company had lost something.
The company was actually called Momentive. They had rebranded the business. The name change came about because the company felt like they had outgrown the name SurveyMonkey, that it was fun and playful as a brand and wouldn't scale up to big customers. When the reality was a new brand just lost the position in the market of a really well-known and well-liked brand and company. We heard from both our customers and from staff that the name didn't resonate. We had employees that had been there for years that had a very close affiliation with the name SurveyMonkey. And for customers, Momentive was confusing. It wasn't well known and didn't stand out in the market. We had an opportunity to really push back to SurveyMonkey. Both customers would understand and know what we were selling, and for employees, it was a big win. I really believe that the most important thing that you can do as a leader is ask hard questions and listen for real feedback, understanding that it may be sometimes not what you want to hear, but it's the most important thing that can really make a big difference in the business.